Hello everyone. In the last SQL Server video, we learned how to filter data. But we only filtered the data where we knew the exact value for which we wanted to filter the data. So for example, I've got this table here with me, which is just a product table. And it contains all the product names and their standard costs in color. So in the previous example, if we knew the product name to be adjustable race, we could just say where English product name is equal to adjustable race and filter that data. But in this video, we will learn how to search on patterns. For example, if I want to find all values which have chain in them, like chaining nut, chaining bolts, so I can use the like statement with the percentage. So what this means is select these columns from product table where English product name like. So like is the operator we use, and then we just say it starts with chain, and we are not really interested in what comes after chain. So give us everything that starts with chain. So if I search on this, you can see that it gives us all values which start with chain. Similarly, let's say we want to find all strings that contain ball as a value. So there could be characters before ball and there could be characters after ball. So I'll just show you what I mean by this. This returns nothing because let's just run this first. And what it returns, it says that give us all values for English product name which end with the word ball. But if I add a percentage sign here and run this again, it says give us all rows which contain ball string. So it says that there are some values before ball, we are not concerned with that, and there are some values after ball, we are not concerned with that either. Give us everything which contains the ball string. So you just add so you use English product name like, and you say you add percentages on both sides of the string that you want. Now let us go back to this example. And let's say I want anything that starts with A and ends with an E, irrespective of what's inside or what's in the middle. So we could use this where English product name like, it starts with an A, and then we're not really interested in what strings come in between, but it has to end with a B. And when we run this, you see it just gives us adjustable race. Let me run this again, and we could say give us everything which starts with a B and ends with an L. So this is another way of pattern matching, where we say give us everything which starts with a B. Or I could just say anything that starts with a B. And you see it gives us all the values that start with an A. Or all the values that start with a C. And there are quite a few. So let's say we want to find all the values which start with an A or a B. So we can just say, so we use the same, this is the actual select statement, then we just say where product name like, and then we put the values in a square bracket. So this means that give us all the rows where the English product name starts with an A or a B. You see this? So it's adjustable race bearing. Let's say instead of A and B, we want A and C. And we could run that. And you can see it gives us everything. Or we could say give us everything that starts with a D or a C. And let's see what it gets. Oh. Or D and X, let's say. I doubt there'll be anything with X. But there'll be something with F, hopefully. So this is one. And let's say we want to say give us everything except what starts with an F or an X. So we've got 20 rows here. So let's just see how many total rows this table has. It's got 606 rows. So this should give us 606 minus 20. That will be 586. So it gives us all rows which do not start with an F or an X. So what we've done is just use this symbol before F and X, the not symbol. So this is one way to use pattern matching to find specific rows in your result set. Please do let me know if you would like me to cover this topic in greater detail, or if you've got any queries around this. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you find this video useful.